Today, let's learn how to hide bloggers Homelink. Subscribe to post comments at home and subscribe to posts at home. We will hide this Homelink because I have the Homelink right here. You can see here subscribe to post comments at home. This is usually seen in your blog posts. In the homepage part, we can see here subscribe to posts at home. We are going to hide all these links. Go to theme and click here on the three dots drop down menu. Then go to edit HTML. Let's click inside the HTML code and press Ctrl+F on the keyboard. Search for this code. You can copy this and paste here and hit enter on your keyboard. You can copy this and paste here. We have here home link, feed link and feed links. All these links are going to hide out from your blog. Save your theme. Let's reload this blog post. Subscribe to post comments at home and home have successfully gone away. Next, let's reload our home page. Now the subscribe to posts at home has also gone away. That's it, guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Sir Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.